Every so often, in a small town in Minnesota, something really big happens. We call it Demo Day, but to me, and to many who've experienced it, it's more than just a demonstration.
Up here for Demo Days 2025, having a blast, man. We're super excited to be here.
Rotochopper Demo Days are the greatest. I have a lot of fun.
It exceeded my expectations in a number of ways.
It's a chance to connect, to see what's new, to share ideas, and to shape the future of our industry together. When you walk into Demo Day, you're not just looking at machines. You're experiencing what's possible, whether that's finding new ways to tackle bigger jobs or streamlining your existing operations with the latest innovations.
Today is about action. You're going to see our machines working on just about everything. Pallets, shrubs, large trees, stumps, and more.
After our CEO, Tosh Brinkerhoff, welcomed the crowd, the national anthem played, and the machines fired up, the stage was set for a very exciting and unforgettable event. This year, the debut of the L2 grinder was one of those moments.
When they got the L2 into position, turned it on, and actually started running material through it, it definitely met and exceeded my expectations.
Oh, it's amazing. The L2 is really cool. It's a machine.
The L2 was pretty impressive. Saw the intensity of grinding big giant wood and the success it had.
The L2, man, that's a beast.
Seeing it in action reminded everyone that we're always pushing the limits of what's possible in grinding power. Demo Day also gave customers the chance to see our entire lineup live, close up, and in action, showcasing the versatility, efficiency, and reliability Rotochopper is known for. This event, I think, really drives our innovation more than anything because it brings all these people together from all over the world. Everyone sees these new tools that we've developed, and that combination of people together in real time in a real place with real technology really creates the next ideas for the next Demo Day. There's no better way to know what to do than to ask the customers and invite them to our place.
My first Demo Day here at Rotochopper has been amazing. Just the display of equipment, what they've gone to, the magnitude of trying to help the customers understand how versatile their machines are.
Just as important were the conversations and the chance for guests to meet our team.
I think anyone who is interested in a Rotochopper or owns a Rotochopper should come here, meet the people who build the machines, and also watch them run and socialize with other customers.
Being at Demo Days is awesome to connect with the customers, and we got some vendors here that I work with on buying parts from.
People just love coming back here, seeing Rotochopper, the family, the ability to connect with other people from across the country and see new innovative equipment that Rotochopper brings to market.
Because the real highlight is always the people. Demo Day feels a little like a reunion, bringing friends, partners, and customers together.
Thanks to each of you for being here and making this event so special. I know that all of you are busy, have a lot of activities going on, and so to take the time to be with us at Demo Day, it means a lot.
Whether it's reconnecting over the reception dinner or standing shoulder to shoulder when the first machines fire up, there's a sense of community that rings true for all of us. And that's the opportunity Demo Day creates, leading with new ideas, building new relationships, and offering exclusive offers to our customers on their equipment they rely on. Because supporting their business is what we're all about. At the end of the day, Demo Day is about more than just machines. It's about building a stronger industry. On behalf of Rotochopper, we're grateful to everyone who joined us in 2025. And if you couldn't make it, we hope you'll be part of the next one. Because there's nothing quite like being here in person.